Hey everyone, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review YouTube channel. Imagine this, you are on a road trip and suddenly your car battery dies in the middle of nowhere. No mechanic, no jumper cables, sounds like a total nightmare, right? Well, not if you have got this little powerhouse with you. Meet the LifeMoser GS400 Jump Starter, a compact yet incredibly powerful device that can bring your dead battery back to life in just seconds. It claims to jumpstart engines up to 12.0 liter gas or 10.0 liter diesel, which is seriously impressive for its size. In today's video, we'll unbox it, check out the design, talk about performance, safety features, and see why this could be one of your smartest gadgets you can keep in your car. Alright, let's start with a quick unboxing. The GS400 comes in a premium EVA storage case, compact and easy to carry. Inside, you get the jump starter unit, a pair of smart jumper cables, a USB-C charging cable. Note that the wall charger isn't included, and a user manual. Everything is neatly arranged and the case keeps it all secure and organized, perfect for storing in your car trunk or glove compartment. The GS400 feels solid and well built, clearly designed for real-world use. The first thing you will notice is its HD LCD display, which clearly shows the battery level, status, and error messages. This is a big improvement over older jump starters. The body has a premium matte texture that feels durable and resistant to scratches or fingerprints. Buttons are well placed and responsive, making it both functional and sleek. Now, let's talk about what really matters. Power. The GS400 packs a massive 4000 ampere peak current, giving it enough strength to jumpstart almost any 12-volt vehicle, cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. One standout feature is the boost mode. If your battery drops below 2 volts, pressing the boost button will still let you start the engine. That's a huge advantage because most jump starter can handle such low voltage situations. In real world use, it can revive a dead vehicle in just 1 to 2 seconds. That's fast, efficient, and exactly what you need in emergencies. The GS400 features 10 built-in protection systems, including overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, reverse polarity, and spark-proof technology. Basically, no matter how inexperienced you are, you can use it safely without worrying about damaging your car's electronics. The smart jumper cables are heavy-duty and ensures excellent conductivity, providing stable and safe power transfer every single time. Using the GS400 jump starter couldn't be easier. All you have to do is connect the smart jumper cables to the car battery, plug the connector into the jump starter, and turn on the device. If the battery voltage is too low, you can hit the boost button and boom, your engine is ready to start. The LCD screen clearly shows that what's going on, so you never left guessing whether it's working or not. It's practically foolproof, making it perfect for drivers of all experience levels. Aside from the jump starting, the GS400 can also function as a power bank. You can use the USB port to charge your phone, tablet, or other small electronics while you're on the go. That's incredibly useful during road trips or emergencies when you need to keep your devices powered up. It's also worth mentioning that the device supports fast charging, so you can recharge it relatively quickly. And once it's charged, it holds its power for months, which is great because you don't have to constantly check or recharge it every few days. One thing I really appreciate is that LifeMoser offers 2 years of product quality assurance along with 24/7 customer service. That kind of support gives you peace of mind, especially for a gadget that's meant to save you during emergencies. They clearly have confidence in their products, and based on the performance, I can see why. In real world use, the GS400 performs exactly as promised. It's compact, easy to handle, and powerful enough to jumpstart large vehicles. The LCD display makes the whole process straightforward, and the rugged build gives you confidence. You can easily store it in your trunk or under the seat, and it's light enough to carry around. It's one of those things you hope you will never have to use, but when you do, it's absolutely worth every penny. So, what's my verdict? The LifeMoser GS400 Jump Starter is one of those gadgets every driver should own. It combines massive power, intelligent safety, and practical design in small, reliable package. Whether you drive daily, love road trips, or just want peace of mind, this is a must-have in your emergency kit. For its price, you are getting not just a jump starter, but a multi-purpose tool that could literally save your day. I will drop the product link in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Rafi Gadget Review, and turn on notification so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.